All right, we're going to start with best alternative fuel or green car. That goes to car number 23, the Ford C-Max. Over here. Let's give him a big round of applause. He's going to go pick up his trophy. All right, best custom. That's 5 or more major modifications. That is car number 38, the 1935 Chevy. Yeah. Where is he at? Best motorcycle. All right, this was a tough one. Took the judges a long time to figure this out. 35 is already number 38. You, congratulations. Best custom. You go to the blue tent and you will get your trophy for the show. Thank you very much. All right, the best motorcycle is number 76, the Norton with a sidecar. Over by the tent. All right, best import car. That is the 54 MG number 30. Yeah, that's one right over there. That is a beautiful car, let me tell you. Congratulations, sir. Best muscle car. That is number 25. That's the Superbird. The bright green Superbird over there. That's 28,000 original miles. Lime green stock condition. That is a beautiful car. Congratulations. Best modern or future class. This is our 1990 and newer class. That is going to go to number 37. That's the 08 Vet. I believe that's the one right there with the hood up, I think. The maroon one. That's a nice one. All right, congratulations. The best classic. This is years 65 to 89. That is going to number 29. It's a 68 Oldsmobile Cutlass. And I think I know what he's talking about. That one is also great shape. Best pre-antique, that's 64 and older.
Just glad they did.
This is going to car number 63. That's a 57 Cadillac.
Yeah.
That one, I also know that one. That one is an awesome looking car. And People's Choice. All right, this is the votes of the people. Number 8, Gary Metzelar. And I didn't have it's a 57 BMW. I said it, that's a little BMW, isn't it? Number 8, BMW. You are the People's Choice winner. Congratulations. All right, now the granddaddy. This is named in honor of Michael Hoffman. He's the man who started the West Seattle Car Show 8 years ago. He died unexpectedly in the spring of last year, and that's when we all banded together to keep this tradition going. So the Best in Show Award is named in his honor. It's called the Michael Hoffman Award. It's the Best in Show, and that's going to number 25, the Plymouth Superbird. He's a double winner. He's Best Muscle Car and Best in Show. Come up here. You got a $50 O'Reilly's gift card and the big trophy over there. Congratulations, and thank you everybody for coming out. We're planning on doing this next year. I think we got a lot of support. We're going to make it bigger and better. And the weather finally cooperated with us. And everybody have a great day, a great rest of your day.
All right, man. Thank you very much.